All right, that is my pizza crust, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring out my string cheese. We're gonna place these all down the center of that pizza crust. Snack that you guys can use pretty much any time of year. Super delicious. Now this part's optional, but I am gonna bring out some pepperoni. I only have a few of these pepperoni slices left, so I figure why not? It could be super delicious with these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get some of these right on here. We'll do some pepperoni, some not. And now, so easy to do. I'm actually gonna turn this around so you guys can see it just a little bit better. We're just gonna go ahead and take this dough, stretch it out. All right, and then right back over and just place it right on over all of those cheese sticks and go ahead and push down right in between. So easy to do like that. And now all we gotta do is go ahead and slice this right on down the entire section next to those little cheese sticks, giving a little bit of room in between. Right now we got each of our yummy individual cheese sticks. I'm gonna bring out just a little bit of melted butter and then some of my minced garlic, and we're just gonna dump those two together and create a yummy garlic butter. Oh yeah, that smells amazing. That we can just brush right on over top of each one of our delicious, soon to be delicious cheese sticks. I'm not just finished because I'm going to use a little bit of Italian seasonings. This is a nice little blend. We're just going to grate it right on over the top. These are going to be amazing. I can't wait to eat them. But first we're heading to the oven at 400 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Oh man, look at these. Just came out of the oven and they are looking so good. All right, let's see if I can't plate these. Oh, look at that cheese pull. Beautiful. All right, let's just do 2 of them for now. And of course, I've got some ranch and I've got marinara, because how are we gonna decide which one we want? All right, I think I'm gonna try marinara. All right, cheers. No! It's so good though.